Are bath salts actually good for you, or are you just pouring expensive salt into water? Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today we are looking at the science behind mineral-rich salts and how they can transform an ordinary bath experience into a ritual of self-care. When salts dissolve in the water, they create a mineral-rich solution. This solution hydrates your skin, soothes muscle, and even improves circulation. Clinical studies show that mineral salts, especially those rich in calcium and magnesium, can improve skin hydration, reduce roughness, and calm irritation. That's one of the reasons we love using natural DIY bath salt recipes. They give you spa-level results with ingredients you can trust. Himalayan sea salt comes from ancient seabeds deep into the Himalayan mountains. It's rich in over 80 trace minerals. Those minerals can help balance skin, support gentle detox through sweating, and leave your bath water feeling luxuriously silky. I love using Himalayan bath salts on recipes focused on relaxation and restoration, especially paired with essential oils like lavender and ylang ylang. It creates that calming spa-at-home feel. Simply Earth's bath salt blend is a blend of Himalayan salt, sea salt, and Epsom salt. So you get the best of all the salty worlds. Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate, has been shown in studies to reduce muscle and joint discomfort, especially when used in warm baths. The Himalayan salt in this blend adds those trace minerals I talked about, and sea salt supports gentle exfoliation and skin soothing. This is the salt I reach for when I'm going for an everyday restorative soak, especially when I've been on my feet chasing my kids all day. Sea salt is another mineral-rich option. It's gentle and versatile. Studies show that Dead Sea type salt improves skin hydration and reduce inflammation. Sea salt works beautifully in foot soaks, exfoliating scrubs, or simple calming baths, especially when combined with nourishing oils like jojoba and coconut oil. Here's how you can make your own DIY bath salts to use in your bath. Start with a cup of salt. You can pick whichever you like. My go-to is our blend because it gives you the best of all the salty worlds. Then in a separate bowl, you're going to combine 3 to 5 drops of your choice of essential oils. Make sure they are ones that are gentle on the skin. And you're going to combine that with 1 tablespoon of Natrasorb bath powder. Natrasorb bath powder helps disperse the oils in your tub evenly throughout the water, instead of just letting them float on the surface in a blob. Stir the Natrasorb into your essential oils, and once it looks like a powder again, you can add that to your salts. You can also add a carrier oil to your bath salts for skin nourishing benefits. Add your bath salt blend to the bathtub and then soak for 15 to 20 minutes. It's simple, safe, with ingredients you can trust. A quick safety note here, here's a step a lot of DIYers skip. Essential oils don't dissolve in water. If you add them straight to your bath, they will float on the surface of your tub, and then they can come in contact with your skin at full strength. Essential oils are really concentrated. You need them to be diluted before they come in contact with your skin. That can lead to irritation or sensitization over time. To keep your bath salt recipe safe and effective, always use a dispersal agent like the Natrasorb I mentioned. You can also use perfumer's alcohol or our natural solubilizer. These help mix the essential oils into your bath water so you get the benefits without the risk. You can also mix your essential oils with a carrier oil, which makes a wonderfully moisturizing soap. Just remember, carrier oils won't disperse into the water, they will float on top. For most even dispersion, I love using Simply Earth's Natrasorb bath powder. You can find it in our DIY bath salt kit, where you can make gorgeous bath salts that are simple and safe and effective. Whether you choose Himalayan salt for its minerals, Dead Sea salt for its soothing properties, or our bath salt soak for a perfect blend, these simple ingredients can transform your self-care routine. You can find all these salts at simplyearth.com, along with tons of DIY bath salt recipes that are pre-diluted and easy to make. Because making natural DIY products shouldn't be complicated, it should be simple, pure, and fun. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next DIY.